Hello, welcome to the new Galaxy Log. I'm the Galaxy Man. This new format would be less formal, more detailed, more conversation as I speak about each galaxy and what I saw through whatever telescope I used that night and what dark side I was at, how sky conditions were, eyepieces, and so on. I hope you enjoy this new format that I think you will get more out of than the previous Galaxy Log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing. The first galaxy we're going to go to, in fact, all three galaxies that I'll be talking about on this video, are in Pegasus. Pegasus is a great constellation for galaxies this time of year. And the first galaxy is going to be NGC 7137, which is in northwestern Pegasus. It's a fairly easy star hop, and we'll zoom in here on Stellarium Web, a very nice site to help you track down galaxies. We're zooming in. If I zoom out a little bit, here's M15, here's Enough right here. So it's an easy star hop. And we're coming in on the galaxy. And here it is, NGC 7137. It's a small galaxy. And we require maybe a bit of magnification if you're just doing star hopping, if you have no go-tos to it. There's a lot of stars in this area. And the galaxy is small. So if you have a little, even if you have a wide field eyepiece, have something with a little bit of magnification so the galaxy will stand out among the stars. There's two stars here that kind of like point to it. But it's like I said, it's small, so it's a little bit harder to see if you're using low magnification to track it down. So what we'll do is we're going to go to a new share here, and we're going to bring up, here's my near view image of the galaxy. And there's the Galaxy Log date, 8/25/2020. Here's your particulars on the galaxy itself. It's about 12.4 magnitudes. Surface brightness is okay, it's 13.2. Small, as you can see, there's its distance. The telescope I was using was a new 12-inch f4, had a chroma corrector. Eyepiece is a 6mm at 220 magnification. Our sky conditions this night were fair, transparency-wise. I would say very good seeing, very good seeing. So there was kind of a balance between the two. It wasn't bad. I'd like to see the transparency a little bit better. But here's the galaxy in my near view image with this telescope. And here's those two stars we saw in the that point to the galaxy itself. And here's the galaxy, and you can see there's a faint stellar nucleus I was able to see. It's round, it's very face on. And also here on its northwest edge, you'll see a faint star, which is, it may be confusing. It could be a supernova or something, but it is a field star. It's actually there. It's like 14 or 14.5 magnitude. But the galaxy showed, like I said, it kind of reminded me of a faint planetary nebula with a central star sticking out. A bit of modeling, and moments of when the scene was really popping, you could see a little bit of modeling. But overall, the galaxy it's a nice small galaxy to view. I like it a little more aperture to see some more detail. But like I said, it's a neat little galaxy to track down in Pegasus. Our next galaxy, as I said, we're doing all three galaxies we're going to be talking about tonight in Pegasus. And this one's a brighter galaxy, a larger galaxy than our previous Galaxy 7137. And it's actually not too far away. As we zoom in here on Pegasus, let's see, it's NGC 7217. A nice, right face-on spiral. Here it is right here, and it's an easy star hop. In this case, even with a moderate-sized telescope and if you don't have a go-to system or digital setting circles and you're just star hopping. A low power Wi-Fi eyepiece should see it no problem. So it's like I said, it's an easy find. So if we bring up near view, and this is what I saw on 8/25/2020. Here's the particulars of this galaxy. It's a little over 10th magnitude, which is a bright galaxy. Nice high surface brightness, larger than the previous galaxy. And here's its distance. Again, with the same telescope, 12-inch f4 with a coma corrector. The eyepiece, I backed off the magnification a little bit compared to the last galaxy, because it's a larger, brighter galaxy, and it's 165 power with an 8mm eyepiece. So this is what I saw in this nice little spiral galaxy. Nice stellar, bright stellar nucleus in a large core area. And then it fades out in where the spiral arms are. Very modeled, has a nice model look to it. It's, like I said, it's an easy galaxy to view, even at higher magnification. You can actually use higher magnification. I just thought this was a nice overall view of the galaxy at this magnification. It can be seen in smaller telescopes. I've seen it in my 4-inch refractor under dark skies, no problem. With larger telescopes, much larger telescopes, if you want to try to see maybe the spiral arms, it would be difficult. It's a very tightly wound spiral. So maybe with very large telescopes on a very steady night, and under really good sky conditions, really pushing the magnification, you might be able to see some arm detail in the galaxy. But like I said, it's a little more difficult to make out. So this is, I really highly recommend this galaxy. I've seen it in various telescopes, and if you haven't seen it before, I think you'll really enjoy observing this galaxy. Our last galaxy for this galaxy log, as we stay in Pegasus, is NGC 7457, which is a nice galaxy to track down. So let's zoom in on its location here using Stellarium Web. And here it is. Now, one of the things, if you are doing star hopping and you come upon this field, you'll see a line of stars and then this oval fuzzy next to this line of stars, and that will be 7457. Actually, this line of stars make for a nice view within the eyepiece. The other thing I wanted to show you as we zoom in a bit more, here to the east, it's actually slightly northeast, is a faint background galaxy, UGC 12311. It's kind of elongated edge-on galaxy. And I did not see it this night with that telescope at that particular dark site. I think a darker site that I can. But I have seen it in the 22-inch. And it actually makes a nice pairing with much brighter 7457. So that's one of the things you might want to, if you have a large aperture telescope, you want a nice challenge. There you go. So let's go to the near view image. And here we go. Of course, 8/25/2020. And here's the magnitude, 11.2, so it's fairly bright. Surface brightness is a little low. It's a decent size to it. Here's its distance. And of course, the telescope was a 12-inch f4 with a coma corrector. I bumped the power up a little bit here viewing this one, using the 6mm, so at 220 power. And I thought it gave an overall nice view of the galaxy. And here's part of that line of stars that I talked about that kind of sets a nice overall view for this galaxy. Galaxy itself has this kind of like football shape to me. I'm a big football fan, and so I kind of call it the fall football galaxy. It showed a bright little stellar core, a nice large center area that was very bright, and then it kind of is elongated from northwest to southeast. But I thought like I said, the overall view of this eyepiece, I thought really stuck out with this. Now the faint galaxy that I mentioned, the UGC galaxy, it was up in this area right here, and I don't have it because I didn't see it. But I think from a darker sight and a better night and better transparency using high magnification, I think this telescope can bring it out. So it'll be a good challenge next time out with this telescope. But as I said, you know, go for this galaxy, and if you're a football fan like me, it kind of does have a football shape to it. So it's kind of like what I call the cosmic football. So that's it for this galaxy log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing.